adjust point color based on magnitude. As you can see here in this picture, the color it changed from blue to red gradually. It's like continuous ramp. So how we can apply that in our exercise? Let's check out branch number 14 in repository ArcGIS React Map components and check the result. Here is our starting point. As you can see, I have JSON layer which renders simple renderer, and inside this simpler renderer there is property called visual variables, which accepts array of visual variables, and they are different type. One of them is size and one of them is color, and this size variable here created and instantiated with field and stops color. We will do the same for the colors. So let's go to the output of this code and check what we have till now. We have those points, and they gradually change it depend on the magnitude. So if you clicked on any feature of them, you can read the magnitude value here. Here it's 1 and increased, each one increased by 1 in the direction to right until you reach 10. So I need to update my simple renderer with the color variable. So I need to add color variable here. To do that, let's check first the documentation by going to simple renderer and check the properties. You will find visual variables. That accepts, as we mentioned, visual variables array. So if I open this visual variable array, there is 3 subclasses of it. One of them is size that we already used, and there is color variables here. That's the new one we will use. So we will copy this module and use it in our code. So I will create an instance of a color variable. After size variable, I will create my instance here. And same, I will instantiate my instance with the field which mag indicates, of course, for magnitude. You can find this variable in the JSON file here, mag, and I need stops also. So I will create an array of stops, but this array inside color variables doesn't accept size stop. It is accept color stops. And even if you check in color variables, the properties, you will find stops, and this stops accept color stops. If we checked, we can import this module and instantiate objects for our stops from it. So I imported the module. I will come to the array of the stops and create 2 instances of color stops. When the value is 1 or less than 1, the color will be blue, and if the second stop will be if value is 10 or greater than 10, will be red. Between those numbers, gradually in continuous ramp, where the color will be changed. I will add my color variable to my simple renderer visual variables array and save. Change the output of your code. The left one started with blue, and the greater magnitude ends, which then ends with the red color. That's it. Thank you for watching.